I love cooking, but also I love food pranks. I have more items for my friends to guess if it's food or something else. The rules are no smelling the item. You must taste what you pick, and sabotage is highly encouraged. The first item, chocolate or something else.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey.
That was a weird piece of paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No!
Hell yeah.
Frick! Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh no.
Oh.
That's rocks.
One of these is jelly beans, one of them is rocks.
That's the real one.
The real jelly beans or the real
This is
rocks?
the real jelly bean.
Well, this is a toss-up. The green is like a red herring of sorts.
I'm thinking one of them is definitely rocks. This one's multicolored, which makes me think it's more food-like, but that might be a red herring. They both have like a very shiny, like stones that you would use in a terrarium
Yes.
thing, or like a fish tank base.
Yeah. I think that one looks more like a fish tank base. I've bought something similar to that.
I don't know.
I go to the beach a lot. I'm Dominican. We know rocks when we see them, and these are rocks, son.
I'm gonna go with this.
I just think you chose wrong.
Okay, that's fine. You can think that.
I'm going with this one.
Sounded like a rock. This is definitely a rock. Rocks.
It's chocolate. It's chocolate. That's what happens when you don't believe in Satan.
Gabrielle.
I really almost picked that one because I thought it was licorice.
I was trying to throw you off.
Yeah.
I'd rather have that in my mouth than soap.
You just made me lick a rock.
Well, I'm sure it's been cleaned.
Next we have gummy bear or something else.
Interesting.
Oh god.
There's something ragged about this one, which you'd think would make him not a gummy bear, but this one's like too pretty.
That one's very clear, but at the same time,
What?
I don't know.
This one is very shiny. This one looks like my usual gummy bear that I eat.
They both look like they could be knockoff gummy bears, though.
Really?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Deception.
I'm going for this one, regardless.
I'm going for that one. I'm going for that one.
Really?
Yeah.
I would 100% go for that one. That looks like the gummy bear I know.
Nah.
He looks friendly. That one looks not friendly. Like his arms are like this. He doesn't want to hug you. This arm is like that. He wants to hug.
This one looks sweeter
Okay.
and softer.
All right, say less.
I'm a gummy bear connoisseur of types, and I think that's the gummy bear.
This one is beautiful. It's almost too perfect.
Yeah, that's the one I want to eat.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're so right. I'm gonna choose that one.
Ready? Cheers.
Yeah.
Delightful. Is that plastic?
Yeah.
That's a real good. Look at this. Okay, look at this. It's fake.
What does it taste like?
It's like a plastic gummy bear.
Lick it.
What? I did lick it.
Don't get used to it though.
I'm gonna win this last one too.
No, definitely not.
Next we have cookie or something else.
Last round.
Yeah, the tiebreaker.
I feel.
I hope this
okay.
one's really hard and you choose wrong.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1, 2, 3.
What?
Oh,
What the is this?
This rock is beautiful, and this brownie looks just as beautiful.
Yeah, there's no way that that isn't just a rock.
Can you please put the whole thing in your mouth?
This one looks very much like a cookie.
Where are you getting cookie vibes?
From the cookie at the bottom.
There's a cookie on the
No, it looks like a cookie on the
Looks like
bottom.
a rock on the bottom.
Is that a rock?
It looks like glue.
Oh.
that looks like a brownie. That looks like a Geo rock.
If you just look at it, it looks like lavender sugar crystals with gold edible paint on top of a triple fudge brownie. This one looks like a wonderful ornament to go on my bookshelf.
Unless this is some elaborate sugar cube.
Oh, how do you think they make that?
Science.
science.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one.
I'm seeing a earth science project over there.
Katie, I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with this one as my final answer because it's quite clearly a cookie.
You can make you like a rock again.
Cheers. This was so hard.
Yeah, hard crystal.
Same time, 1, 2, 3. Oh,
That
this
was
is pretty hard too, though.
Oh! What is happening to you? You didn't look a rock.
You gotta really bite it.
Hey,
Oh, you gotta bite it. They're pretty good. You should cheers.
you're pretty
to this.
good.
Cheers to being equal.
Salud.
Well, technically you lost this one, but equal overall.
Technically, we're equal.
I'm surprised people can make such realistic versions of foods.
I'm not sure what the purpose of those gummy bears was though. Like, would you leave a bowl of those out in your house?
I think we friends, yeah.
We're cool.
We
back
sharing
in
a brownie.
Yeah, that's right. We're sharing food together. That's what
Yeah.
food brings people together.
It's a very pretty cookie. For a minute when we first opened it, I was like, that's a geode.
Please eat that.
Oh, thanks, man. Oh, that was yummy. I hate you.
Oh, yes.